case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2017, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit heard a case called Briseno v. Conagra Foods, Inc., which tackled the requirements necessary for certifying a class in a lawsuit. The lawsuit in question involved consumers accusing Conagra Foods of falsely or misleadingly labeling Wesson-brand cooking oil as 100% natural. The plaintiffs sought class certification under Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 23, which Conagra Foods opposed, arguing that the plaintiffs did not present a reliable method for identifying class members. The court had to determine whether an additional administrative feasibility requirement should be added as a prerequisite for class certification under Rule 23. Ultimately, the court found that the existing criteria under Rule 23 already addressed the interests that prompted some courts to adopt a separate administrative feasibility requirement and declined to add an additional hurdle to the class certification process. The court upheld the district court's decision, stressing that procedural tools for managing administrative burdens supported the presumption against refusing class certification based solely on manageability concerns. In doing so, the court affirmed the lower court's ruling and denied Conagra Foods' appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.